What is up, y'all? Got a little different video for you today. We are down at Sun Chevrolet. We are going to be looking at the new 2020 C8 Corvette. I think they have two of them on display. So a bunch of me and the work guys came down to kind of unveil it. So hopefully I can get some decent footage for you guys. Still see the engine through the rear window. Is it electronic button? Feel it on there? Yeah. There's your supercar look. You see that paint flopping too. That is the new 2020 C8. Definitely a sick looking car, you know, going around for that supercar look, mid-engine, a little bit of different content. My shop's right up the street, kind of a little different opportunity to bring you guys along. Thanks for tuning in.